Engage in devotional service with determination. So you must be determined. Don't be half-hearted. Come to the devotional path. Whatever may happen, but I have to serve Krishna. What did Chaitanya Mahaprabhu say in his Shastaka verse? You may trample me to death, but you shall remain my worshipper, Lord, unconditionally. So we have to be determined. Our determination should be, come what may, I'm not going to give up Krishna consciousness. I may be dishonored, insulted, but I'm not going to give up. Because this opportunity to engage in service is availed of after many millions of births and deaths. So by attending the Bhagavatam class, attending the Gita class, by associating with devotees, we are reminded about this point. So we must engage. And how do we engage in service with determination? By fixing the mind and intelligence. Krishna is saying in this verse, fix your mind and intelligence on me. Buddhi. So higher than the mind is intelligence. So in the initial stages, the mind is very turbulent. So whip the mind with spiritual intelligence. And if you whip the mind with spiritual intelligence, then you'll be able to make spiritual advance. So we have just briefly explained the characteristics that Krishna expects a devotee to cultivate. So we should try to develop these characteristics. We should make an effort. And if you make an effort, the Lord will help you. Krishna is anxious to help us. We have to be willing to take His help. And if we take Krishna's help, then all problems are solved. What is the highest cause? Serving Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So a sadhu should be prepared to give up all these attachments for a higher cause. So our attachment should be transferred to a saintly personality, and that attachment should be based upon hearing the Vani. The Vani is more important than the Vapu in the sense that Vani, and we should be anxious to serve. Just like Rupa Goswami says, he says serve. And in the 5th canto of the Bhagavatam also you read about the importance of serving the sadhu. The scriptures explain the importance of serving a sadhu or associating with a sadhu even for a fraction of a second. What is that famous verse from Chaitanya Charitamrita? Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastra Kaya, Lava Matra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi. What is Lava Matra? 1/14 of 1 second. You may have the best watch, but it doesn't record 1/14 of 1 second. But Lava Matra is 1/14 of 1 second. So even for 1/14 of 1 second, if you have the opportunity to associate with a genuine sadhu, your whole life can change. Then Krishna says to be equal towards desirable and undesirable. So Krishna is repeating the same point, that you have to become a dhira through so many different verses. But if you come closer to understand us, you'll also say the same thing.
I watched a special the other night about all your strange cults from India and all the rest of it, and there were
but
all
you
these...
should know what is the meaning of a cult?
A cult is a place where people don't have a free will.
How do you say we don't have a free will?
Because
if somebody doesn't want to stay in a temple, he is free to walk out.
You will forgive this sardonic remark, but I don't see anyone having a free will who walks around in a saffron robe, lives in poverty, not allowed to eat meat, women regarded as inferior, and lives at the kind of low end of the totem pole.
He doesn't live at the low. In fact, he is living at the high end. Therefore, the devotees of Hare Krishna are always happy. Whereas you have to take shelter of meat, drugs, illicit sex, gambling to be happy.
Are you accusing me? Please, Gopal, I will accept your apology.
You will?
Yes, I will.
We're talking in general. Okay.
Goodness gracious me. A man of your kuth embarrassing a 64-year-old.
No, we're talking in general.
Gopal, really? Go ahead, please. You're making me blush. For the first time in 50 years. Go ahead. Hare Krishna.
The entire Vedic scriptures tell us how one's sambandha means relationship with God, can be established. So we have a variety of different sambandhas in the material world. Sambandha means relationship. You have relationship with your father, mother, wife, children, friends, but nobody is worried about the sambandha with God. The sambandha with God can be established when you follow the laws of God. If you don't follow the laws of God, then the sambandha cannot be established.
Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitarana Vidyavadu Jeevana Anandam Buddhivardana Matipadam Purnamrita Swadana Sarvatma Snapana Sarvatma Snapana Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtana Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtana Harinam Deva Kevalam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtana Shri Krishna Sankirtana
ध्यानपूर्वक जाप का मतलब है जब आप 16 माला करने बैठते हो तो आप ये निर्णय कर लो 16 माला के अलावा और मैंने कुछ नहीं करना। ये नहीं कि 16 माला जाप भी कर रहे हो, साथ में फोन में भी बात कर रहे हो, मोटर चला रहे हो, स्कूटर चला रहे हो, 10 और काम कर रहे हो। आप कर सकते हो ये दूसरे काम, पर उस जाप को 16 माला के कोटे में नहीं गिनना। और जितने ध्यान से आप माला का जाप करोगे, शास्त्र पढ़ोगे, उतनी तेजी के साथ भक्ति में आगे बढ़ोगे।